Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. We've got a Porsche Macan that comes in for actually a front brake disc and brake pads replacement. So I've stripped down the whole car. That's the old disc there, that's the old pads. Getting really close to the sensor. Really close. Probably I'll get it probably about 2 months and it'll be rubbed straight in and lights will come on. They're pretty low. That's the front disc there. So I'll strip it down, sitting there properly, nice and neat. I'm just waiting for the actual parts to come in. Push the pistons back. I've got new parts come in this afternoon, so I can finish the job. Alright, we do servicing on all Porsche models, air cooled and water cooled. For SUVs, 911s and Boxsters, few cars here. Few here. Alright, I'll go back to the brakes. It's good to have that tool there, make it sit nice and neat while you're waiting for your parts to come in. And then after this I'll assemble 2 of the bolts, torque it up to the specified Newton meters and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.